the Java. Today we'll discuss about the Java UME repointing. UME means user management engine. So UMR, user management, which means instead of maintaining the separate user management roles in the Java systems, if you integrate so Java UME with ABAP UME, so that same user ID, whatever the ABAP side you have the user ID password, same user ID password, you can use it for the Java systems as well. So that is the integration. So we have to do this one here. So in that case, what we have to do, we need to in the destinations field. So we have to create the one UME, the backend, UME backend destination. We have to create to the so one of the system, either ECD system or one of the above system. We have to create it here. So then, so then, so that so whatever the users you have in the above, same users you can log in with the Java URLs as well. You no need to maintain the separate user. The only thing is the destinations we have to create it here. In that case, just log into the Java systems here, right? In the Java systems, if you go to the Java systems and there is a user management here. In the Java user management, you see here we have only Java level users. We have Java UME database, Java level you have here, right? So then, but if you integrate the Java with this one into the ABAP system, then you know so you can use the ABAP UME, right? Suppose in that case, what we have to do, so in the identity management, sorry, configuration, you can see here, modify the configuration, the data source, you can change it to the so ABAP system here. Data source, you can change it to the ABAP system. Then there is a UME backend connection we have to establish here. In that case, you can go to the destinations field here, click on the create. Then you can create a destination is called the UME. Then so backend UME, the backend the connection you can create it here. UME, the backend connection you can create it here. So here you can use the so the system name, ECD system name like a so our KP online one, right? Then instance number ECD, right? 02 SID is the ECD. So then here user ID, technical user ID here, right? So was like client 100 user ID, technical user ID we can create like basis. So means which user he will pass. Normally we have to maintain the SAP JSF user we have to maintain here. So otherwise we have to create the one SAP JSF user. ABAP to Java communication user is the SAP JSF. So then we can maintain the password of the user here. Click on the next button, click on the finish. Then one UME backend connection you created, that should be success here, right? It's connected, that is successfully connected here, right? You created the UME backend connection as well, right? So then in the identity management here, so when you select this one, just provide the destination name like UME backend connection, UME backend connection here. Just to fill the all the details here, right? So then so technical users, default users, their password length, password character, same as like above. You can maintain, allow to the user logon part of, so enforce the password. So this is the security policies here, notification emails. Suppose user is logged, they will get the emails, passwords, all those things we can do it here. Then save the all the changes here. So whatever after that you done the configuration, save all the changes here. So now so you configured as a ABAP system here, right? Data source is ABAP system. So now you do the restart of the Java system here. So log into the NJP ADM, just use the stop SAP all command. It will stop the your Java system here. It will stop the your Java system. See, Java system is stopping here. So in the Linux level, it is very simple. Stop SAP, start SAP. So it will stop the all the instances services which are starting with the NGP SID, all will be stopped, then all will be executed here. right? So which means Java is starting. When the Java starting, see the 500 internal server available, it is not available. 500, the service not available here.
Sir, one question.
Right.
Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, we already creating that SLD, okay, to collect all the data from all systems, right? So why we need this UME?
SLD is
Uh,
different, UME is different, right? UME means user master data, user master records. SLD is only for the system details, system technical details, and product details. Both are the separate. Then what is the relation between both of them, right? There is no relation. SLD is like a, so all the systems data in your landscape, you have the 80 systems, all the hundreds of system data that will be stored into the SLD. SLD means system landscape directory. By seeing the SLD, you will come to know how many systems you have in your client, that you will come to know here. But user management is, so if you want to create, if you need access to the Java level, what you need, you have to create the Java access, one user for the Java level, one user for the ABAP level. Means two users you have to create it, right? Instead of that, if you integrate the Java UME into ABAP, you no need to create it. So whatever the user you have in the ECD system, same user will be helpful for Java systems as well here. Same user. So same user and password you can log into the Java system also. See, so Java is starting. There is a RFC destination through via this RFC destination. So Java system is connecting to the your SAP system here. JSTART process is connecting to the KP online remote host. It's connected. So backend RFC. Why? Because it will come via gateway only. Gateway, in the gateway we can check it out. In the users list also, maybe we can check it out the JSF user or something. We can check it out here in the KPS4 HANA. See, this is the one KPS4 HANA, right? So which means this is the Java system also initiated the two connections here, which means Java is connecting through. So Java is connected to the your ABAP system. UME backend connection is connected, right? So once everything is done, still Java is starting mode. Java will take time. Yeah, it started. Java started, right? So what I can do here, just click on the login button. So it is using the administrator user. Sir, administrator user only, right? So shall I use the basis user here, right? So here I can use the basis user. You have basis user in the ABAP level, in the ECD 100 client, you have the basis user. Same user, same password, I can log in with the my Java system as well. Same basis user, I can log into my Java system. Only thing is, I will need to provide the roles access to the node. So user is authenticated. Only the Java related roles I have to provide to the this user. So which means whatever the user you have in the DDIC, I can also log into the DDIC as well. So DDIC, sir, Java level DDIC, how? Means you pointed UME, then so Java UME user ID password also you can log in. DDIC also you logged in. See, everything is working. So which means UME you appointed. You no need to separate user ID. One user ID you can manage, one user ID password you can manage the above login to the ECD 100 client. Same user ID you can manage to log into the Java systems as well. UME pointing in the real customer systems. So instead of maintaining the separate security team, each and every system they want to create it, it's a very big risk for them, right? They have to maintain all the users in the each and 80 systems, 80 users, then their passwords. So it's a very big risk. That's why they will use the this kind of concepts. They will use it the real time security team, right? In that case, from our side, we need to establish the Java UME connections. We have to establish it here. Then they can log into the Java systems and everything here. This is the Java UME. So whenever you are accessing something here, so you can also view the ABAP users as well here. Data sources ABAP. How many ABAP users you have? Only 3 users: Basis, DDSC, SAP star. These users details also you can see ABAP. So and also if you see the Java all, then ABAP and Java you will get both, right? So all those things will be displayed here. So that is the Java UME repointing. Okay. So only thing is destinations, and after that, so then restart the Java. Java system, it will point to the UME backend. This backend system is connecting to the ECD system. Then it is connecting to the ECD system. Same. Okay. That is the main thing here.
Sir, no changes required in backend system?
Not required in the AC. Just only backend user ID password we need. So here, if we have already basis user is connected. If you want to maintain the separate user for here, then you can maintain the separate user, you can create it. SAP JSF user, separate user, we can create it.
Is it because we imported certificate, or it's not required? Even we
Yeah. Certificate is not. Just destination you imported. That's fine. Actually, destination you created. That's fine. It will connect it. Just only pulling the any data. Suppose using the Java system, you are pulling some data from the some XYZ system. That time, so without asking any user ID password, just we can pull the data. So you can pull the data here. That time certificate exchange is required between the systems here. Now it is only user authentication purpose only. At that time in the destination, you are already maintaining the user ID password. Why we have to maintain separately again? So it's not required. Certificate is not required. So this is got authenticated here, right? So this is got authenticated. This is the UME backend system. So mechanism. So the next one,